Hi, this is Chris Webb with WebbinR, and today I'm going to discuss with you briefly vectors in R. Now we're going to take a quick look at some vectors in this tutorial, but I also wanted to just go over what they were. Vectors are one-dimensional arrays that can hold numeric, logical, or character data. In R, you just simply create the combined, or the cbind function, C with two brackets, and that's how you create a vector. So this numeric vector here is just going to be the 12, 10, and 11. And if we were to run that code, you'll see it pop up in the global environment here. You can also do it with strings or with characters. You can see they pop up over here as well. And you can also do it with a number of different numbers. So in this one we have it here. Now there is one thing about vectors that is a little tricky. The first, because it is a one-dimensional array, if we were to just print out the New England points per game here, it's just going to give us the numbers. It's not going to tell us anything about these numbers. So what we want to do is we want to create a vector that holds some type of identifying key to what 54 is, what 28 is, what 20 is. And you can see it down here that there is a function called names, and what that does is that assigns a kind of like a column name for each of the variables within the vector. So I'm going to go ahead and write this out and come right back. So you can see here that I created a variable with the week 1, week 2, week 3, 4, and 5. And I'm going to get an error if I don't remove that last comma. So if I run that, the vector should pop up right here. So the next step is I'm going to use the names function, which is going to give me the weeks as the column names for the points per game. So when we run that, before I do that, I just did that, but I want to show you one quick way as well that you can see exactly what you do in R. By putting the brackets around the entire command, what this does is it not only executes the command, but it also prints out the result. So if I do that again, you can see here that rather than just printing out, oh, we've done that, it prints out this, and then it also gives us what the names are. So now, if I were to do any underscore points per game and print that out again, it should have the weeks as well, and there it is. So you can see that this actually gives you the command and then prints out what the command has on it. And then once I printed out and now we have the week 1 with the score, week 2 with the score, and etc. So I hope this video helped you guys in terms of vectors. I'm probably going to do a few more on this, but I just wanted to get this one out of the way so that everybody kind of knows how to create a vector using the cbind function here, and how to add the names to the vectors that you create, because they are only like a one-dimensional array. You need to have that name section on there as well. Please go ahead and watch some more videos, guys. If you have questions, please send them to me. Go ahead and like these on YouTube. Catch us on Instagram and on Twitter as well. Thanks.